مساء الخير. My name is Luay Shawarbi. I'm a lawyer and also an angel investor and a friend of the entrepreneurship ecosystem at large, whether it's business, science, hopefully also social. I take great pride of standing here tonight and participating with Flat 6 Labs. They've been doing amazing work for so many years, not only in Cairo, but in many super good places. Tonight I'm going to be introducing a startup that's actually a very interesting one. It's about food security and food feed. It's called Connative. The team is amazing, hardcore engineers who decided to do hardcore engineering. So they did not shy away to do only some stuff that's only software. They ventured out. They're doing hardcore engineering and hardcore products. And most importantly, is that they are very agile. They know how to use the system. They use Flat 6. They use the government. They use everybody almost. So beware of those guys. Great people to mingle with and a great company. Ahmed Khalid and team, please.
Put apprehension of the back burner, let us sit. Don't even get it lit. Don't hold back. Get involved with the jam, don't be.
Good evening. My name is Ahmed Khalid. I'm the CEO and the co-founder of Connative Lab. There are 10,000 fish farms in Egypt, producing over 1 million tons of fish every year, which is valued at $2.2 billion. All of them are facing the same challenge. They don't measure their water quality parameters effectively. The few of them are trying to change that. They are using handheld meters, which is highly inaccurate and very manual. They have to write each reading down on a paper every 8 or 10 hours or even every month. That leads to two major problems. The overuse of fish feed, which represents 70% of the total cost of production every year, as well as accidents and major losses, which happen due to sudden undetected changes in water environment. For example, last year, more than 1,000 tons of fish died because of a sudden change in the salinity of the water in Dumyat for a couple of hours. And that's why we built Nilebot. Nilebot is a real-time water quality monitoring and alarming system for aquaculture. It monitors 4 main parameters: dissolved oxygen, temperature, salinity, and acidity. It sends all the data through mobile network or Wi-Fi to our online software. Our software is very usable. You are one click away from everything, and it's bilingual. In case of danger, if any reading goes out of the range, he will get notified immediately through receiving an SMS. Nilebot saves you money. One of our clients saved around 100,000 Egyptian pounds through protecting 1 ton of shrimp after receiving an SMS. Which tells him that there is a problem regarding the dissolved oxygen parameter. He saved 30% of the fish feed he used to consume through water quality monitoring. He isn't the only one, and luckily we are there. We are the only company in Egypt who sells an online monitoring system for aquaculture. There are other companies globally, but their pricing point is from 4 to 6 times our pricing point, and they don't have on-ground presence in Egypt. To the moment, we have 26 active units between 4 countries in Egypt and the GCC, covering 20 fish farms, translating to $30,000 of revenue. We have different types of partners. We have others in the supply chain. We are working with the biggest aquafeed companies in Egypt, Aller Aqua and Discreting. They are helping us regarding marketing and the sales. We are working with R&D centers. We are working with the American University in Cairo and World Fish. They are helping us in improving the product. And now we are actively looking for distributors in GCC. The total market value is $60 billion. And the market where we are active in Egypt and the GCC is valued at $4 billion a year. We will be expanding Nilebot to be more end-to-end solution through controlling machines and valves to enhance water quality status and adding online software, and adding consultation services on our software using water data we have. We are raising $250,000 for both turbocharging our marketing and sales and for product development. We are planning to sell 1,000 units in the next 18 months, which will be annualized by 2020 to be $3 million. We are a team of 6. We have been friends for almost 10 years, and we have been working on this for the last 2 years. And now we have the technical expertise. We are in the market for the last year, and we aim to do much more. Thank you very much. Meet you in the exhibition area.